So guess what, guys? Guess what I did today? Yep. I put makeup on Adam for my YouTube channel, my beauty channel. So if you want to watch it, go head over to Glam It Up with Glama. And if you're already subscribed to Glam It Up with Glama, this should be uploaded, maybe in a day or two. Because as you see, it goes really slow. It's only at 1%, and it's going to take that many hours. It says 39 hours. Can you imagine? For a 39-minute video? Anyway, we had a lot of fun. I think Adam had fun. And yeah, so exciting. I got to put makeup on him because, of course, I got my 1,000 subs on my beauty channel. So, yep, he was such a trooper. Thank you, Adam. And thank you all for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers. I love you guys. Bye.